I'm
Yeah.
doing a couple of different coats? I mean, how about clumping, especially even with the false lashes? How do I avoid that?
So a technique that I love to use, making sure that you are pushing it up to the root and wiggling it back and forth. That's
Okay.
going to allow the brush itself to do the work for you. These bristles are strategically placed to comb through those lashes. So you shouldn't have to necessarily go back. I'll be honest, I personally like a little bit of like a stuck together look. I do. The spidery lash look.
Right.
The twiggy, eye look is coming back. It's coming back with a vengeance. So I think, I see roller lash and bad gal. People are loving that mix. But for extreme length, bumping it up, wiggling it, and carrying that all the way through the tips of the lashes, that is going to be key. And I want to show everybody another really cool tip.
Okay.
So I call this no liner, no problem. Take whatever mascara you love, whatever one you're going to purchase, dip a little bit onto your brush with an angled brush, and go ahead and apply like liner.
Oh,
Why not? Right? No liner, no problem. So now I'm getting a little bit of like, I can play it up and have a little bit of a fun wing. If you get a little
I
bit
like
on
that.
the lid, just rub it in like it's eyeshadow. There's no rules. I know people are like, oh God, I don't know about that. But it's
Okay.
really about just having fun with it. Look at your eyes,
Glam
Carrie.
for days. I love to see that. If you want big results, I mean, that's
Yeah.
what the magnet will give you. Big results, even putting it in over lash extensions, false lashes, makes no difference.